I'm a learner beekeeper. I got started with a friend giving me a jar of honey. You know when you get that power moment and you go, I really want to do this.
My wife and I have just become grandparents, and my wife goes to me, I want to stay fit and strong so that I can be around for the grandchildren.
Oh, great reason.
Yeah.
Let me show you one of my pet projects, my honey hive. So I've got a lovely friend here in Tokoroa who brought me a jar of honey, and she had a particular system called free flow system. As soon as I tried that honey, I went, oh, you just get this belly feeling that you know you've got to do that. And I had thought about doing bees, but down the line. No, within weeks, she'd found me the system, which I brought down from Whangarei, and ever since then, it's been a monster learning curve.
Oh, let's have a look.
Yeah, let's go for it. Come on.
Oh. Now, do they get excited when you open it up?
Oh, they may do. Let's have a quick look, and I'll show you the kind of thing that you can achieve within a season or two. And then
Wow.
this is called a queen extruder sheet. So that stops the queen going up and laying eggs in your honey factory. Because basically the honey factory is the part that I'm allowed to take. So you can see that's absolutely full of capped honey.
Yeah.
The whole side.
Wow.
It's just absolute, and feel the weight of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, 25, 30 kilos, they're fairly heavy. In here, these yellow bits are the food that they're...
Ah, right, so that's the food they go and get, and then they convert that into honey.
Yes, probably more for feeding the babies.
Yeah.
So now I do have a good frame of what's called brood, of eggs. So can you see how they've got capped cells? So the queen has laid the eggs, the workers have fed the babies, and then they've capped the cell and let them cook, fatten up, and then they will break out. You know, every now and again you'll see a baby bee has actually, they start emerging.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's fascinating. Honestly, you can sit, some evenings you can sit there and just watch them. I used to think that every bee was yellow and black stripes. No.
Oh.
No, there's no bee that looks alike another one. So it's really, really interesting.
Yeah.
That's absolutely full of brood.
To be honest, I've never been this close to a beehive. Not something I've ever thought that I'd ever be this close.
I thought you would find that really interesting.
Tell you what, that's quite fun.
Overall, if we're looking at the bigger aspect, we're trying to create better pollination for our grass, our hay paddock, for the neighbours, and also for our potential orchard, which is still very much growing. Our trees are only 2 years old.